Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So happy holidays. In today's video, I will be talking about a little piece of text that is affordable, very fun and effective for you to add some flavors into your lighting setup. You can easily turn your good looking video like this into a better looking video like this. Wow. That beautiful looking, huh? Very colorful for a holiday look, don't you think? Alright, so this is a pocket RGB LED light, the Pham F7 Mini. So this is just a 5-watt RGB light, but it's very bright. You can see how much is the color that I can get on both sides. In the background, this light has the built-in rechargeable battery, 2600 milliampere through a Type-C charging port over here, and it lasts about 100 minutes full power at 5600K. With the built-in Bluetooth, you can connect the light to the app on Android or iOS phones to control the light, as well as using the picture coloring mode. This feature allows you to take picture of the subject, and then the app recognizes the subject colors and turn the F7 Mini into that color. The F7 Mini is also a bicolor light. It covers color temperature from 2500 Kelvin to 9000 Kelvin. It supports 20 special lighting effects that you can use on various lighting setups for video and photos. The F Mini comes with a pair of strong magnets in the back right here. It can be stuck on any metal surface. Sometimes you have some position that kind of like very impossible to mount your traditional light, but with this you can just tap on it and you're gonna stick right there. This is my favorite feature. The lights come with some good accessories such as the diffusers and the honeycomb grid made out of silicone. Though accessories can soften the light or narrow the light. It also had a pouch, a USB Type-C cable, and a cold shoe bracket that you can mount the light on top of your camera. I'll leave the link in the description down below so you can check out for more details or get some for yourselves. For example, in this video, I put the first F7 Mini inside that Fresnel light and turn it in red. It absorbed on that metal housing. Then I put the second F7 Mini behind the housing. That you can see the green down there. Again, it just simple stay right there thanks to the magnets on the F7 Mini. And finally, I put the third one underneath of the light and get some blue color up there, so I can get green, blue and red. You know what that means, RGB color, right? Okay, and the fourth one that I have, I put on the right hand side right here under the tree and put some pink color and create some warm look on the right hand side right here. Alright, no screw, no tape needed. In my opinions, this F7 Mini is an awesome alternative to the Aperture MC with mostly the same features and only costs half of the price. I hope this video brings you some cool ideas to make your lighting setup more fun. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.